All right, good morning. We finished our warm-up run, 15 minutes, and we finished our core routine. So those are the four exercises I posted last week. And now it's time to do our strength workout. So the strength workout is about low reps, very high weight. So I have about a 40-pound pack on. 30, almost 40-pound weight vest, and then a pack. You can't quite see. The pack's probably 45, 50. I think I have about 80, maybe 85 pounds on my back right now. It's really cold. I don't want the house to get cold, so I'm going to close the garage back up. So for today, there's 4 exercises I'm going to do. One is step ups, and I'll do that with a full weight, and that's coupled with pull-ups. So I'm supposed to do kind of 4 to 6 reps each. I take that as 4 to 6 reps on each leg, so 10 or 12 step ups, and then I can just do 4 pull-ups. I drop the heavy pack. I just wear the weight vest for that. I can't do more than 1 pull-up with all this. And then I do the other step are step downs with push-ups. So I'll try and get a couple of those videotaped in this session.